How to fade in and fade out a video in the InShot app. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily create a fade in or a fade out effect on a video in InShot. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you do is open up your InShot app, and then from here select a clip that you want to edit, and then tap on next, and then tap on done. Now, once you do that, here you're going to go ahead and click on the effects button, and then from here click on add effect. So you want to head over to the fade tab. So if you want to fade in, then you can use the black effect like this. So it's in like this, and you want to change, you can do that as well. So once you do that, you tap on done, and now you get the fade in effect like this. From the start, it will be black, and now it will slowly fade in like this. Now if you want the fade out effect, then you are going to do the same thing, but move this black to the end of the video like this, so that when you go like this, the video will fade out. So you're going to go ahead and remove this, and then again add an effect, head over to fade, and then you can choose the white one if you want. So I'm just going to go to fade, and then choose the white one. Then choose the right side of your screen to create a fade out effect, and it will add the effect at the end of the video. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.